Bathi siyababandlulula, bathi thina ezabantu abamnyama siyabahlukumeza ezweni labo, sibaphuca iland yabo, sibancisha ama-opportunity. And bagijimile bayotshena ubaba wabo uTrump, thina ezweni sesibukeka ezabantu ababi manje, thina ezabantu abamnyama siyabandlululana thina. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntu omnyama. Amabhunu nabelungu had a problem. And bagijimile bayotshena ubaba wabo uTrump the US government's decision to resettle 54 white Afrikaners, citing ukuthi siyabahlukumeza, has met with criticism. South African officials argue that this move misrepresents the country's land reform policy and historical context. Once umuntu omnyama waqala usebenzisa lento le wavala la, he becomes a threat to isitha. And njengamanje isitha sicikekile cause umuntu omnyama uqalile wakhuluma ngendaba yokuthi land expropriation without compensation. Bagijimile-ke bayotshena uTrump ukuthi thina siyabahlukumeza, sibaphuca iland yabo. Bagijimile baya eAmerica babatshena ukuthi iSouth Africa igcwele abantu ababi and icela usizo, and uTrump being the fool le ayiyona ubavumelelile ukuthi okay ngiyanisiza. And njengamanje abantu abawu54 angisho abantu amabhunu awu54 are supposed to ukuthi ahambe ayo-resettler eAmerica, ahambe ayohlala eAmerica cause ayahluleka ukubekezela indaba ukuhlala nomuntu omnyama. The first group of ama-54 Afrikaners is supposed to arrive eWashington International Airport as soon as next week. And uTrump wenze sure ukuthi ama-US officials azoba welcome eAmerica as ama-refugees, as ama-heroes of the struggle. They will be seen as abantu who have survived impi yomuntu omnyama, who have survived the worst of the worst, ukuhlukunyezwa umuntu omnyama. In February 2025, President Donald Trump signed an executive order prioritizing the resettlement of white South African Afrikaners, citing allegations of ukuhlukunyezwa abantu abamnyama and persecution. You remember once upon a time kwakuyithina sasisebenzisa lelo gama. Sekuyibona manje asiqhubeke.